topic is Power BI. It's a business intelligence tool. It is a collection of software services and helps user to connect and visualize the data. And also it makes better decision by tuning data into visuals. The features are data analyst tools, AI capabilities, report creation tool, report templates, and AI generated reports. And we can create the dashboards like this. This one. We can import the CSV data files and Excel files. We can create the dashboards by the some we can see that to product profit of the products in a country and population of a country, and we can visualize the data like bar graph, and we can choose the specific country in a we can see the profit of the products, and we can also visualize like ask your questions like by questions we can create the reports, um, and also by the graph we can create the summary of the graph, and we can plot the forecast of this by this business intelligence tool helps users to create visualize the data.